welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to film for you a Valentine's Day makeup look. So if you like what you see and you want to learn how to get the look, then keep on watching. And please don't forget, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more of me. Bye guys. Hey guys, so I'm going to start with prepping my skin, and I'm using Tarte maracuja oil. I'll just place a few drops onto the skin and then rub that in. Now, because we're getting ready for our Valentine's Day date, we need to prep those lips with Bath & Body by Jasmine's Edible Lip Scrub in Strawberry. To nourish and hydrate the lips, I'm going in with EOS Lip Balm in Strawberry. For brows, I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the shade Medium Brown. To shape the brows, I'm going in with Billion Dollar Brow Duo Pencil. To set my brows, I'm using Billion Dollar Brow Gel. For eyeshadow, I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm starting off with using the shade Burnt Orange as my transition shade. For the crease, I'm using Red Ochre, and I'm using an It's All About Makeup blending brush. To deepen the crease, I then go in with Venetian Red using the same blending brush. Felt like the look needed that little bit more pink, so I go in with Love Letter. To deepen my outer V, I'm using Cypress Umber with the Morphe M507 brush. Now with a clean blending brush, I'm just going to go in and blend that all in together. Now to cut the crease, I'm using INGLOT's Aquastick in the shade 13, and I'm creating that shape with a Napoleon tapered eyeshadow brush. Now I'm going in with INGLOT's Pure Pigment in the shade 123 and lightly tapping that over the top. Now I'm going back in with the shade Cypress Umber, and I'm just going to deepen that outer V again. Now with the makeup wipe, I'm just going to clean up any fallout, and I'm also going to clean up the eyeshadow, and this is going to help guide me with my eyeliner, which I'm using the INGLOT gel eyeliner in the color 77, and I'm applying that with a MAC 208 brush. For mascara, I'm using Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. For lashes, I'm using EYLURE's Definition in the number 121 and priming my skin with BECCA Backlight Priming Filter. For foundation, I'm using Maybelline's Fit Me Matte and Poreless, and I'm tanned at the moment, so I'm in the shade 220 in Natural Beige. To conceal my under eyes and also highlight, I'm using Tarte's Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Light Neutral. For cream contour, I'm using LA Girl's Pro Concealer in the shade Toast. Under eyes and where I've highlighted, I'm using RCMA No Color Powder with a Morphe M438 brush. Now to set the rest of my face, I'm using MAC Select Sheer in NC35. To brighten my eyes and make them look huge, I'm going in with NYX Jumbo Pencil in the shade Milk. Then with a Morphe E36 brush, I'm using the shade Red Ochre, and then I'll be picking up the shade Cypress Umber to define the lash line. For bronzer, I'm using MAC Give Me Sun, and I'm applying that with a Morphe M527 brush. And then to clean up my bronzer, I'm going back in with the RCMA powder. For highlighter, I'm using MAC Soft and Gentle with a Morphe M501 brush. For blush, I'm using MAC Warm Soul with the Morphe M403 brush. Now to wipe off the translucent powder, I'm using a Morphe M509 brush. For lipstick, I'm using MAC Angel. To set the makeup, I'm using GERARD Cosmetics Slay All Day. And that's the final look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!